DIY garden ideas that will surprise your neighbors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing DIY garden ideas that will surprise your neighbors. Welcome to a world where your garden becomes a masterpiece of creativity. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a beginner, today we've got unique DIY garden ideas that will wow your neighbors. Stay tuned to discover how to stand out with simple, fun, and eye-catching projects. Is your garage hiding unused pots or worn-out items? Get creative by upcycling them into beautiful garden planters. For example, turn an old drawer into a tiered herb garden or repurpose rain boots as colourful flower holders. These small touches add charm and create delightful conversation starters. Don't forget textures. Mixing materials, like concrete or wood, with your planters gives a rustic or modern vibe to your garden. Adding your personality to your outdoor space has never been this easy or rewarding. Why let the magic fade when the sun goes down? Illuminate your garden with DIY lighting projects. Mason jars filled with string lights or solar-powered lanterns instantly add a magical ambience. Hang them on tree branches, fences or pergolas to create a cozy evening glow. Want something quirky? Use tin cans to craft decorative light fixtures or fill wine bottles with LED lights. It's an easy and affordable way to make your garden shine, literally, and leave your neighbours amazed during late-night gatherings. Short on space, but big on ideas. Vertical gardens are your solution. Attach old wooden pallets to a wall and fill them with potted plants, herbs or succulents. Not only do they save space, but they also add a unique visual element that's functional and elegant. You can even create a living wall using wire grids to hang small pots or repurposed containers. Vertical gardening works wonders for urban spaces, balconies, or any corner that craves greenery and style. Take your garden from ordinary to extraordinary with whimsical decor. Create pebble art, like colourful stepping stones, or design a fairy garden filled with tiny houses and figures. These playful touches elevate your garden while sparking curiosity and smiles. Don't overlook everyday items. Hang painted tyre swings as planters, or turn an old picture frame into an outdoor succulent frame. The goal is to express your creativity while adding an unexpected twist to your outdoor retreat. Make your garden not just beautiful, but functional. Construct wooden garden beds or a trellis to support climbing plants like tomatoes or roses. Consider adding a potting bench from scrap wood to keep tools organised while giving your garden a professional flair. Want to go bold? Build a pergola or a seating area using pallets. It's not as intimidating as it sounds and offers a cosy, dedicated space to relax and enjoy your garden masterpiece, rain or shine. Grab a paintbrush and let your imagination run wild. Jazz up terracotta pots with vibrant colours or patterns. Create cheerful garden signs with witty quotes to reflect your personality. You can even paint a mural on a plain garden wall for a one-of-a-kind, artsy backdrop. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to reflect you. Painting is an affordable, meaningful way to make a statement while adding life and energy to your garden. Now it's your turn to create a stunning garden that will turn neighbours' heads and ignite conversations. Get started with one of these projects today. Share your progress with friends and inspire others. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We'd love to see your garden take shape. Let's grow creativity together.